Hey everyone, so this kind of happened. I don't know. I wasn't planning on doing much, but I just really enjoyed the process. I really hope that I will be able to enjoy also filling up this journal. But yeah, I want to show you kind of what I guess I would call my foundation pages. Actually, nothing is stitched or bound, so everything is just very I can edit things and add more, take out, add, you know, stitching and all those things, which hopefully will make me happy and make this enjoyable process. There is a lot more than just 30 pages here, so I'm not sure how this is gonna work, but let me just show you what I have, and maybe this will give you some ideas. I show the book without anything in the other video I have about my December daily. I'll link it here for you. So I'll just do kind of a flip through, and this is only pages. There aren't any embellishments or stickers or anything. Hopefully I can add those in as I go. And I don't know, maybe some pages will just remain as they are. So a lot of this is from magazines that I have. So the December pages, which I have on every signature, I have kind of 3 signatures here. So the first page is this kind of December page and those are from the Flow books for paper lovers. The vellum is from this collection. It's an older collection by Pretty Little Studio, and it's really beautiful. It's kind of winter Christmas themed. This is from the same book for paper lovers, and then I have some pages from Daphne's Diary, I think 2016 planner that I bought and didn't use, and I'm now loving using it in junk journals. This is also from the Flow book for paper lovers. This is from that Pretty Little Studio collection. Flow, Daphne's Diary. This is, there are a few pages here from kind of like vintage paper packages that I ordered from a really lovely shop. I will link you to that. I think it's somewhere in the Far East. I can't remember, maybe Taiwan. But yeah, they always send me emails when I make an order. I only ordered twice, but they really have an interesting selection of papers, and they had a couple of these packs of like vintage papers for junk journaling. I don't think they're all vintage, but yeah. So some of those more older looking papers are from there. Daphne's Diary, that junk journal thing. This is actually, this is a paper, I bought this at my local art supply shop. It looks like this, you know, handmade paper, and I have it in this color and this gorgeous pink, which I'm just obsessed with. So I had to include some of that. Daphne's Diary, Flow. These beautiful illustrations are from Daphne's Diary. So that's that junk journaling, Daphne's Diary, and the envelope is from Flow, Daphne's Diary. I just thought this was so adorable. Flow, and vellum from the Pretty Little Studio, and that's the first signature, which, you know, in my imagination it was supposed to have like 5 pages, but I don't know. We'll see how it goes. I'm not limiting myself to anything here. Everything can be removed. So if I'm not happy with it, you know, I can glue pages down if I feel that I have too much. And yeah, I'm really looking forward to playing with it. Okay, moving to the second signature. Again, another December page from another year of Flow book for paper lovers. Vellum is from Pretty Little Studio. They have Pretty Little Studio. It's a really cute shop with lots of embellishments and cute stickers. They work with designers that, you know, maybe you're not familiar with, and yeah, I really like them. and they have a lot of specialty papers like acetate and vellum, so if you're into that, check them out. Flow, that junk journal. This is, I think, from a Daphne's Diary magazine. I have so much vellum that I'm really looking forward to using in future projects, so I inserted some here. This is, again, this paper. I have it in two colors, this and the pink one, so I used both of them in this journal, and it's just the same things repeating. These illustrations are Daphne's Diary, and yeah, just some fun stuff that I thought worked with, you know, the winter or holiday theme. And some papers that are just attached with a paper clip. Flow book for paper lovers, just some vellum. Obviously it's the same papers repeating, and this is the third signature. So again, one of these December pages. A cute envelope from another flow book. More of this beautiful paper. Daphne's Diary. This is again from that junk journaling kits. So just some extra papers. I don't know if I'll use them. We'll see how that goes. And another cute illustration. This is printed vellum. So everything from the same places, Daphne's Diary, that junk journaling kit. This came also in a Daphne's Diary magazine, actually, not their planner. It's just a cute little notebook. I don't know if I'll use it. I can cut up the pieces. I like having the journaling spots, so that's why I just stuck it in there. But again, everything is very easily removable, which I am loving. Loving that flexibility. And yeah, just the same pages, their other side, with these beautiful illustrations from Daphne's Diary. This beautiful paper, I am obsessed with this color. And then this was just a really cute illustration, and that's it. So I just love the way that this looks, the way that this feels. It feels so special, which, you know, I don't think I've ever really done like a proper junk journal where even the cover is from an old book. And my struggle is always that I'm not into that super vintage look. So for me to go to like a used bookstore and buy older books and then use them, it's just the thought is appealing to me, because it's not buying something new, it's buying something old and kind of upcycling it. But the style doesn't really work with my personal aesthetics, and that's where my struggle is. So this is, I guess, a sort of a compromise. I mean, it is using like magazines, which, you know, I did buy them new, but I don't know, maybe I can find some used Daphne Diary magazines that other people have already read and enjoyed, and just take them off their hands. So yeah, let me know what you think, and tell me what you are going to do for your December daily. I hope you found this inspiring, and I'll see you in another December daily video very soon. The month is coming, and I'll have to start filling these pages. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.